Hey, it's Aran here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to set a default limit for the affiliate payouts that you are going to have set up in your affiliate program. First of all, let me explain what does it actually mean and why is it important. So essentially, when somebody is promoting your product, your service, your subscription, your whatever it is, they are going to make X amount of dollars commission. Now let's just give a fictitious example where you are selling a $50 course and you are offering 50% commission to your affiliates. When you do that, that means that for every sale, they are going to make $25. Now, you need to remember that when they make a sale, you got to understand how the tracking in System.io works. There's going to be a delay of at least up until the 10th of the month. And the invoices will only be generated at that time. So they're already potentially going to be waiting for a month or so, maybe more, just depending on how you set up your affiliate payout to be done. Now, on top of the time frame of when you're going to pay them, you also have the setting in System.io to set it up where you can choose what is the threshold, i.e. what is the minimum affiliate commission you're going to pay. And I can tell you as an affiliate myself, when certain companies put the default minimum payout to be a little bit too high, it's really frustrating as an affiliate because then you wait for ages to get paid if you ever get paid at all. So let's say somebody promotes your course, earns us an affiliate sale, and they're due to receive $25. But let's just say you set up your threshold at $30. Then what happens is, let's say they don't actually give you another referral for another 2 months or 3 months or whatever. Well, that original $25 that they gave you months ago is not going to get paid. And the invoices will not be generated in system. You won't even see it and they won't know. And as an affiliate, it's really frustrating. Now, I've made that mistake myself in 2025/2024. In Christmas 2024, I actually was doing the System.io gift bundle and I had dozens of affiliate promote. And I, at the time, had the threshold at $50. And to my surprise, I didn't know. I actually thought I paid out all the affiliate commissions. But then what happened is that I saw an affiliate commission that wasn't paid to me by somebody. And I reached out to them and I said, hey, I didn't get paid. And they said, oh, I did. I paid you. And then they showed me when. And it said, by the way, you didn't pay me. And I was like, well, that's embarrassing. What do you mean? And I went and had a look at their account. And it's true. I didn't pay them. And I'm like, hang on, why didn't I see this? And then I realized the mistake. I did not have the threshold. They were due $42 to be paid as an affiliate, but the threshold was $50. So they were basically owed $42 for me and I didn't even know. So here's what happened. I then reduced the threshold to $30. It generated the invoice for the next month. And then all of a sudden I had about 15, 20 affiliates that have made money for me months ago and I didn't pay them. Terrible affiliate user experience. So then I learned from my mistakes, which is why you are now watching this video. And now I'm also going to show you technically how to reduce the threshold. So let me share my screen and show you how it's done. So here I am in my System.io account. You will hover over your profile, click on settings, and then you will click on affiliate program. Now you will see default commission in percentage. That's fine. You can leave it as it is because you can always customize that. Minimum payout amount. So in this case, I'm going to make this 0 because if somebody's going to promote a $10 product, which I have $10 products, and they get 80% commission, they get $8. If they get only one sale, I don't want to not pay them because I know that beginners to the affiliate marketing world are going to be counting on this. This is a win, so even if it's $8, I still want to pay them. So I'm just going to set it up at 0 and now I'm going to click on save. That's it. Now, the next time where I'm going to hover over here under sales and click on affiliate invoices, I should have the various invoices appear here that have not been paid. Now, currently you'll see that payment have been sent and that's the status of all of these. So that's all good. But for the next month, these are all 10th of April. Now I'm waiting for the 10th of May and I will have a bunch others. That's about it. That's the tutorial. Make sure that you set up your threshold correctly so you can actually pay your affiliates in time, pay the affiliates early, and that way you're really getting them excited to help continue and promote you even further. That's about it. Really appreciate it.